I know that one of your goals for 2022 is to get rich and save money. But before you start making a plan to reach your financial goals, you should make sure that you aren't unintentionally getting in the way of your own financial independence. From my years of experience, I've learned the top 5 mistakes that most Americans make that keep them from being financially successful. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, we'll talk about the 5 reasons why most people don't become wealthy. Number 1. Spend your time with wealthy people. The first and foremost is that they never consider becoming wealthy. The typical person has never known a wealthy person while growing up in their family. He attends school and hangs out with underprivileged people. He works with less fortunate people too. He does not have any role models who are wealthy, and his reference group or social circle outside of work consists of only people who are not wealthy. If this has happened to you during your formative years up to the age of about 20, you can actually mature and become a fully functioning member of that society. Therefore, the first reason people don't become wealthy is because they never consider the possibility. And if they don't consider the possibility, they naturally don't take any action to make it a reality. However, you can become wealthy just as easily as everyone else by simply going out with rich people. Remember, birds of the same feather flock together. Number 2, decide to succeed. The second reason why people don't become wealthy is that the vast majority of individuals don't make the decision to succeed. Regardless of whether a person reads a book, attends a lecture, or associates with people who are wealthy, nothing changes until he makes the decision to take action. Even if it crosses someone's mind that they could become wealthy if they only did certain things in a certain way, if they don't decide to take the initial step, they wind up staying where they are. Anyone who chooses to not make a move will never move forward. You will continue to have what you have if you carry on in the same manner. You have to make changes and get out of your box. Do things that you think will be a staircase for your success, because if you don't, then you won't succeed. Number 3, stop procrastinating. The third factor that prevents people from being wealthy is procrastination. People almost always have a justification for delaying the actions they know they should take to become financially independent. It's either the wrong month, wrong season, or wrong year. They continue to put it off month after month, year after year, up until it's too late because there always appears to be an excuse. Procrastination will put all of a person's intentions into the indefinite future and ensure that nothing ever happens, even if they have had the thought that they can become wealthy and have decided to change. You have to move and take action as soon as you think about it. Putting things off can hurt your finances, and the effects aren't always felt in one place. This is true since your entire financial life is interwoven. As a result, there's a chance that this will have long-term effects on things like how you live in retirement and whether you'll be able to accomplish all of your life goals. Before we continue, only a small portion of the viewers of my videos actually subscribe. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing with notifications enabled. Let's return to the video now. Number 4, learn to delay gratification. Economists say that the inability to delay gratification is the 4th reason why people end up poor in retirement. Most people have to spend every penny they earn and anything else they can borrow or buy on credit. You can't get rich if you can't control yourself enough to avoid spending all of your money as soon as you get it. If you can't make budgeting a permanent part of your life, you'll never be financially free. You have to learn how to save and invest first before you buy most things, especially the ones that you don't really need. You have to understand that not all the things that you want are what you need. As William Clement Stone once said, if you cannot save money, then the seeds of greatness are not in you. Number 5, consider long-term effects. Lack of time perspective is the 5th reason why individuals retire in poverty, and it may be just as crucial as all the other reasons combined. Time perspective is the amount of time that you take into account when organizing your daily activities and making significant life decisions. Always look for the long-term effects of the things that you are going to do. Do things and decisions that you think will greatly affect the future for good. For example, a young couple with a long-term vision is one that starts setting aside $50 per month in a scholarship fund so that their unborn child can attend the college or university of their choosing. With this decision, they will help themselves by spending a large amount of money in the future. At the same time, they will make their child happy since he or she can go to their dream school without worrying much about tuition fees, miscellaneous fees, and other fees needed. They are willing to give up things now in order to get better results and outcomes in the long run. People who think about the long term almost always get better off financially over the course of their lives. I know that it is really hard to save and invest some of your money, especially if you are just earning enough for everyday needs. But keeping some of it will make your future easier and happier. People that are only looking for the things in front of them will never succeed and be wealthy in the future. The 5 reasons why the majority of individuals don't become wealthy are now concluded. And that's all. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.